Laiannuo CNC automatic iron pipe cutting circular saw machine and chamfering machine production line is a highly automated and efficient system designed for the precise cutting and chamfering of iron pipes. This production line integrates advanced CNC technology, which allows for high precision, high speed, and high-quality cutting and chamfering processes. The production line typically consists of several key components. Loading system. This is where the iron pipes are loaded onto the production line. It often includes a loading rack and a feeding device. CNC cutting machine. This machine uses a circular saw to cut the iron pipes to the desired length. The cutting process is controlled by a CNC system, which ensures high precision and efficiency. Chamfering machine. After cutting, the iron pipes are sent to the chamfering machine. This machine removes the burrs and sharp edges from the cut ends of the pipes, making them safer to handle and ready for further processing. Unloading system. This is where the cut and chamfered pipes are unloaded from the production line. It often includes a conveyor system and a stacking device. Control system. This system controls the operation of the entire production line. It often includes a PLC control system and a touchscreen interface for easy operation. The CNC automatic iron pipe cutting circular saw machine and chamfering machine production line is widely used in industries such as construction, automotive, and machinery manufacturing. It greatly improves the efficiency and quality of iron pipe processing, making it an essential equipment for many manufacturers.